But coming to the issues at stake, and on a more serious note, and with no intent to play to the gallery, Governor Nyesom Wike as controversial as he is, as contrarian as he is undoubtedly one of the gadflies of Nigerian politics. But we have to give it to him that he believes in the Nigerian Project, and he has invested heavily, more than any other stakeholder, in the legal profession in this country. If someone can single-handedly build a law school, he who comes to equity, as you lawyers are fond of saying, must come with not only clean hands, but the ability to add value. And he has added value by building a law school. And equity and justice demand that a law school should be established in Port Harcourt. As per my investigations, there are 197 and 15 lawyers in Nigeria, approximately 200,000 lawyers for a population of 220 million people. Right now we have, as per my inquiries, about 70,000 law students in Nigerian universities.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.